Hi, welcome to the Balanced Body Pilates podcast series. I'm Amy Taylor Alpers from the Pilates Center in Boulder, Colorado. We're talking about breath during this whole series. We're talking about the importance of breath in the system and how the system is really very, very uniquely and specifically designed to enable the expansion and contraction of the breath. We're looking at organizing the structure in such a way that the breath mechanism is freed up and empowered, and also then enabled in the flow of all that oxygen through your whole body. So we're looking at the way the body is designed and the way it situates itself in the exercises to facilitate that idea. Stomach massage is one of those very tricky exercises to teach that people struggle with quite a bit. And it's also one of those very defining Pilates exercises. It's unusual, it's very unique to the system, and very, very purposefully designed for the breath. So if we get it focused on the breath, it makes a lot more sense as we teach it. Okay, so we're going to start with the toes up on the bar, toes apart, heels together. We have a similar foot position that we had for our footwork. The hands are holding the front edge, the elbows are wide, and I'm going to have you bring your hips forward just another inch or so. We want to make sure that when she does the push, it goes right into the abdominals and begins to really open up the breath mechanism. So we're going to stretch out. Inhale, lower lift, and exhale, come back in. Inhale, lower lift, and feel as if it's the breath that takes you there more than your legs. So your breath fills, that's the way. Exhale, and then you can suspend for those 3 counts again. And then this moment here is so key. That's the moment where the exhale happens, and we really want the position and the springs to help with that. So I would probably even scoot you a little more forward. You want to feel like when you come in that the legs compress into your gut to help push air out. So you don't want to be sitting upright. You do have your lift up through your spine, but you are in a round position with a feeling of trying to get the shoulders over the hips a little bit, right? Mostly so that we can really expand open the back and really connect into those abdominals on the exhale. So we'll do 2 more. Inhale, expand open the breath. Exhale, deep squeeze. And you want to, on the way in, keep these heels high so the legs go right at you. And you have to make sure to bring the carriage all the way in. So if, for instance, Amy sits back a couple inches, so just move your hips back a little bit, and we do the exercise here, and she comes in, the spring never affects her breath, right? And she mostly ends up just doing the exercise with her quads. So we need to get her as far forward as we possibly can. Again, the femur vertical, the spine very round, and the upper body just bending gently over the pelvis so that the exercise goes right into her abdominals, up into her lungs. Deep exhale, it helps to push the air back out. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and take her arms back. The first set in the round position is really designed to help open the back of the lungs. The second position now is taking that nice connection we had in the abdominals and building a much more open front of the chest off it. So go ahead onto the heel of the hand. So you are leaning back. A nice push to push your chest forward, but still a deep curl and a lift of the heels so that we get this connection as well. So she goes, inhale, stretch open the chest, deep squeeze of the exhale. Inhale, stretch, open, open, open. Exhale, squeeze. Good. And on your exhale, stay really tall. Inhale, lift, open. Stay tall, lift it. Nice. Last time, huge expansion. Exhale, deep, beautiful, Amy. Stay in. We're not going to show the rest of them, but what happens then is you've built your power. You bring one arm around and the other arm around, and then you continue on using that same power. Okay? So that's the stomach massage. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next podcast.